Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the 1 millionth episode of the Cobra Podcast. I'm Eli Schrader.
I'm Nick Johnson.
And today, we're going to be talking about how people don't believe in climate change. What is climate change? How are we going to stop it? You feel me? So, basically, what is climate change?
What is buttered sausage?
What is buttered sausage? Is that on it?
Why is it the way that it is?
Well, because the sausage is buttered.
But why?
Because they thought it would be a good idea to butter it.
Okay, continue.
Yeah. So what is climate change? What is climate change, Nick?
Climate change is the change in climate.
That's all it is. Now, what does that mean exactly? It means, it's like, you know how it's like cold in the winter?
It's hot.
Hot. But in some places it might be a little colder than usually. Anyway, we'll get to that.
You guys like my middle part?
Let me see the middle part. It's not really. It's like a 50-40. It's like a 45-55. Anyway, it's good. Basically, green. What was that outside? Anyway, climate change is basically caused by greenhouse gases, which are like, I don't know what a greenhouse gas is. Like an example.
What?
I need my key.
Huh?
Oh, she needs her key. Shoot, I forgot I had it.
Hold on 1 second, guys.
It got stolen from me and I had to steal it
By
back.
who?
Mason.
Hey, get up.
Hargrove.
Get up.
Anyway.
We're not cutting this.
We're not cutting that, apparently. It's caused by greenhouse gases, which is like methane or something. Cows farting. Cutting down trees.
You know, I got in trouble today for farting.
By who?
Coach Cobbs.
Really?
Yeah. He started screaming at me for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Were you just laughing?
Yeah, we were all laughing, and then he said, Johnson! And then I said sorry, and he said, you're not sorry. If you were sorry, you wouldn't say sorry. I was like, well, I'm sorry.
I think if you were sorry, you would say sorry.
And then, well, he's just a big doo-doo head.
Oh. And burning fossil fuels, like like cars or something, I don't know. It makes the summers hotter, it makes the winters colder, in some areas the winters are colder. But most of the time, the ice caps are, Zane Henny Benny was talking about this, the ice, about that, thank you.
Okay.
How the ice caps are melting and there were no polar bears. Ask Zane Henny Benny about this.
Yeah. His real name is Zane Hinthorn Anthony.
I thought it was Zane Anthony Hinthorn.
Oh yeah. Zane Anthony Hinthorn. Oh. He lives by the Crow Station in Arkansas. If you want an exact address, I can look it up for you.
Anyway, Earth is 1.1 degrees hotter, 1 degree Celsius hotter than the late 1800s.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna freaking die.
I think that's kind of, well, actually, that's almost 34 degrees hotter. But that's over like 140 years?
What?
Wait a minute.
So you're telling, hold on.
That can't be right.
So you're telling me in the late 1800s, it would be
About 30.
40,
about
43, 44 degrees.
Hey, that's just what the information I found on the internet said. Don't hate me if it's wrong. I don't cite my sources.
I can tell.
People think that the Earth is not getting hotter. They don't think the ice caps are melting, and
I think the Earth is getting smaller.
It's shrinking.
Yeah.
Let me see. How would that happen?
I don't know. It just does.
So you have a theory. You just don't have the evidence.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll make an episode about that once he has the evidence. Anyway, the person that thinks this is fake is Rylan Kramarenko.
Put a picture of Rylan
Rylan on the screen.
Boom, there he is.
People say that it's a government ploy to push their agenda of electric cars. That one's kind of, I don't get that one. Like, why would they want the electric car so bad?
Huh?
It's to push their agenda of electric cars. Why would they want the electric cars that bad?
Because they're electric.
Oh.
And they don't burn fossil fuels.
Well, yeah, but why would that be why would the government want us using electric cars that badly? Like, if it was fake.
So we could get rid of gas and stop climate change.
Well, yeah, but okay, whatever.
I don't.
That doesn't really make sense, to be honest. They also say that the Earth will regulate itself due to it being in a perfect balance,
I do believe that.
but we're throwing off the balance.
We are throwing off the balance.
Like, it is in a perfect balance normally, but, with us,
The frickin' humans of the world, man. Let me just tell you about them.
we're ruining the world.
Some of them are terrible.
Give me a name.
Coach Cobb.
Oh, Coach Cobb. Put a picture of Coach Cobb on the screen. I don't know where I'm going to get one of those.
Oh, I can give you one.
But we caused the balance to mess up. Yeah. And basically, climate change is real, chat.
Kick that thing back. Shoot.
Climate change is real, chat. How would we prevent, it says hashtag 69 on here. How would we prevent climate change, Nick?
By changing the climate.
How would we, no.
By basically not using fossil fuels.
Not as many fossil fuels, right?
And not cutting down as many trees.
And you know what we're short of? Paper. Printing.
I didn't know that.
Really?
Yeah.
You really didn't know that?
No.
We have to have yellow paper because we don't have normal colors of paper.
So we're using artificial paper.
Yeah, and like our quiz, it was on white paper and it was like 8 separate pieces of paper just cut in half. Yeah.
That's always nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, also we could use electric cars, but not Tesla, because Elon Musk is a human lizard.
He's trying to take over the world. That's why they think it's a government agenda. It's all really Elon Musk. It's Serge over. Oh.
Anyway.
Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this Cobra Frickin' podcast episode. Tune in next. What are we gonna talk about next week?
We're gonna bring up the conspiracy that I just brought up.
What theory?
What was that theory?
I don't remember what.
Never mind.
Oh, that the Earth is shrinking.
Oh yeah, that one.
No evidence for it.
We can find evidence.
We'll find evidence for the Earth shrinking. All right. Tune in next week for that episode.
Peace.